Do you have tile in your bathroom or your kitchen where you just hate the grout? So in this bathroom, the grout was light blue and we're going to change it to a dark blue. First, make sure your grout is unsealed. If it is sealed, then lightly sand it. Get a latex paint that you would like the color of the grout to be. Mix the latex paint with some water. Then apply the mixture to the grout with a sponge brush. Once you've applied the wash over the grout, before it has dried, take a bucket with water and a sponge and wipe off excess. Then take a dry rag and wipe down. For the final step, it's this grout sealer. You can get this at Home Depot or Lowe's or any local hardware store. When you apply the grout sealer, make sure you do it evenly. Thanks for watching Tasteful Staging. Please subscribe to our Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube.